It's 2021, and if you still haven't found a way for yourself to make money while laying in bed, then you're missing out a lot. In this video, I want to share with you a brand new platform that will pay you after you watch a movie, video game, or even read a comic. All of that can be done from the comforts of your bed, so I guess it shouldn't be that hard. Just grab your phone or laptop, relax, watch a movie, and go to this website. It doesn't pay a lot. It's only $15 per completed task, but it's still nice and easy. It goes pretty fast, and it works worldwide. Another great thing is that you can even watch it on a TV, or if you want to watch it on your smartphone device, you can do so. So you get to decide where you want to watch it, and since this new website will not pay you a lot of money, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can make more money by leveraging another platform, another absolutely free website. That way, you will be able to make more money by watching your videos from your computer, laptop, or smartphone. Now let me ask you something. How many movies have you watched in your entire life? How many video games have you played? Let me know in the comments down below. It's really important for today's strategy, since the more of them you watch, and the more of those video games you play, the more money you will make. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So the first and the main platform which we will be using in order to make money by watching the different videos today is called Animation Arena. This is over at Animation Arena. This is the place where you can find different reviews in different movies, video games, and even comics. So people are leaving their feedback, their reviews on this particular blog, on this particular forum. There's one interesting section about this website, and that is it will actually pay you after you watch a movie, or after you play a video game, or after you read a comic. So all you have to do is to go over to animationarena.com/arenawriter. Considering the fact that it's really hard to find that feature on animationarena.com directly, I will either leave a link to it in the description down below, or you can just go over to Google, search for Animation Arena, and get paid to write, and you should open up this page right here. Now don't worry, you don't need any writing skills. You will not be writing an essay or whatsoever, but you just need to give an opinion about the movie you have just watched. So you can watch whatever movie you prefer, whatever you love, whatever genre you love. Watch it online, watch it wherever you want to watch it, and you can just simply give your opinion on this website, and you will get paid $15 per review. You can submit a maximum of 10 reviews per month, but that's only with one email. If you sign up with multiple accounts, you can obviously send more reviews and make more money. And if you just complete 10 reviews per month, that's an extra $150 for just watching movies. And that's probably something that we already do on a regular basis. You can even review some of the movies that you have seen in the past in the Animation Arena. Basically, these are the rules for making money in the Animation Arena. Each review that you submit needs to be a minimum of 550 words, which is not a lot at all, at least 550 words long, and must be original. So you can't just copy and paste someone's review. You need to give your honest opinion. They're just looking for an honest opinion, and that's all you have to do. At the end of each review, please rate the material on a scale of 1 to 10. So you will just give your honest feedback whether you liked it from the scale of 1 to 10. How much did you enjoy the video? How much did you like it? What's your overall opinion on a scale from 1 to 10? Just leave them that and you will get paid $15 per review. Let's say, for example, you have watched a movie online and you want to submit a review so you can get paid $15. All you have to do is send an email to this email address right here. So you will copy this email address. You will email them with the subject line writing for Animation Arena 2011, and then just follow the instructions right here. That changes pretty often, so it's probably going to be a little bit different from time to time. Those are the rules which you need to follow. Now the better and more modern way of making money by watching videos online is by using this platform called Cashkick. This is an additional platform that I wanted to share with you to help you maximize your results. So if you submit 10 reviews on the previous website, you can make up to $150 a month. If you want to make more money by watching short videos, not movies, but actually just short videos, you can use Cashkick.com. Cash is the greatest reward, and that's their motto. They'll deposit cash into your account for all the fun things you're already doing online. It includes watching videos, surfing the web, and answering surveys, but it's not what we will be focusing on. Let's only focus on watching videos. You can get paid directly to your PayPal account. And I know that a lot of you guys love PayPal money, which is great. Their platform is absolutely free, and it will always stay free. There's no need to invest any money or whatsoever, and you can start with $0. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You just need to find a video which you want to watch. You will watch the earnings grow in your account, and you will cash out early, easily, and often. Cashkick offers the lower payout thresholds on the market, and they deposit your money quickly, securely, and conveniently, starting at just $5 at a time. So you just need to have $5 on your account to cash out. You don't need $500 or $1,000. You just need $5 and you can withdraw your money instantly. This can all be done with even just your smartphone device, while lying in your bed, watching some videos, and making some extra cash. This is also not going to make you a lot of money. Probably just a couple of extra dollars, but it takes you only a few minutes. It can be done from anywhere in the world. And I mean, there's no real work required from your side. You're just watching videos. You don't have to actively watch them. Just press the play button and leave the video playing in the background. You can do something else and you will still get paid for doing that. So to get started with Cashkick, you can either just go over to Cashkick.com or use their app and then just sign up for absolutely free. By entering your email address, create a password, and click on Get Started Now. Now you will be able to open up a feature where it says Watch Videos, and you will get paid per each video that you watch. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.